The second batch of Chinese medical team dispatched to the Solomon Islands recently provided free medical services for 6 days in the Munde region, receiving high recognition from local residents and medical personnel. This is the third time the team has conducted medical services on outer islands since they arrived in the Solomon Islands in March this year.
I've been treated, it feels good, very good. And now I'm going to ask them to also do my back.
So I just want to thank you for the China medical team right now of your help. You're here to help us, our communities and all the people in Solomon Islands.
We are very happy that you visited us and you provide this service. Thank you very much for coming, and we look forward for your support in the future. Thank you very much.
China and the Solomon Islands established diplomatic relations in 2019. In early 2022, China initiated the dispatch of medical teams to the Solomon Islands.